Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to blend images in MidJourney. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up your Discord app. Make sure that you are connected to the MidJourney server. And once you are, go ahead and pick any one chat room, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see a chat box. There are different ways to blend images in MidJourney, but in today's video, let me show you how to use the blend command in order to blend images. In the search box, type in the / and type in blend. Now, give a space and it'll directly take you to your camera roll. It'll now allow you to upload 2 to 5 images quickly. Simply go ahead and select the images and its URL will be automatically typed in. After you select all of the images you'd like to blend in together, hit the send button on the right corner and you'll be able to see the blended images generated. That is how you'll be able to blend images in MidJourney quick and easy. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.